Kevin?
What is it, buddy?
What is that? Those are the lights?
Lights? Are they flashing?
Yeah, right here.
Katie, I have asked you twice to get back. Katie,
She's fine.
you're in the pictures. Please move back.
She is fine. Yeah. No, this one?
I'm trying to take pictures so that I can give some to Lonnie, and then
Oof.
that's the only reason your mom
Oof.
Andrew, do you love it?
Yes.
Are you so happy?
We have one just like that.
Do you want to go inside and get the cookies for Lonnie and Irvine? Can we go get them? The bags of cookies? Can we go get them? Okay, come walk with Mommy. You can bring your truck inside. Come.
Whoa. You want to pull the lever?
Pull the lever? Okay, Andrew, show me.
Yeah! Yeah, it's sweet. Oh, I'm just taking video, so I'll edit out anything that's in the way. Whoa! Do you want to do that?